It's 7:03 Sunday morning, and me and my man is already out and about.
Because of you.
Of course. We got things to do. We got things to get done, sir. It's Vlogmas Day 4. Get into it. So now we're at Home Depot.
My favorite place.
Babe, are you gonna get a buggy? You know we need one. And you didn't bring the light bulb, or did you?
You go get it.
Thank you, sir. I'll be back right here. Oh, I'm not gonna see $7. Those are fake. I don't like that one too bad. I like that wide. Okay. So me and Babe are looking for handles for my dresser that we thrifted for $30, and it's solid wood, baby. And I wanted gold hardware. I was eventually thinking about painting the dresser, but now I just want to leave it as is with the hardwood. I don't want to ruin it. So I'm looking at this because I wanted the handles to be gold, because one of the handles is missing on the top. So I wanted to just change the top two and leave the others with the wood hardware. And these are the gold ones that I'm finding. I've chosen this one for now because I wanted to be chunky and gold. But Babe, show me the ones you just saw. Okay. That's kind of brushed.
Yeah, this is brushed.
Okay.
It's like a brushed bronze.
I know I don't want it black. Babe, look at this one here. What you think about this one? This is kind of like a brush. Oh, this must have been popular. Oh no, it's got some black in it.
Yeah.
I really want it. We're gonna see. We're gonna go with this for now, I think. Y'all seeing this? Which ones would you all have chosen? I kind of like this little knob too, but then I would have to get 4 of them. Well, that wouldn't work because no, I had to have something like this because that's the way the handles were. Okay. Or something like this. I don't even like that. A little bar. The bar. Okay.
They don't have it in the gold though.
Yeah. Okay. I have more over here. These are more silver. Oh, babe, look at the
more of the silver stuff.
Look at that clear. I like the clear. I just wish it was gold and clear. Maybe, well, I ain't got no gold, just the gold area. Everybody, even though I'm a silver girl, I love silver. But I think gold look better with that wood. Huh? Yeah, okay. All right, we're off to the next thing. Hot.
Got a little spice to it.